This challenge was made by the host of the show, who puzzled and puzzled more than you'll know. What masterpiece to make with this wonderful theme? With tons of suggestions, it would be easy enough, it would seem. But what form of craft was the ultimate question? She lacked not a thought with so many suggestions. A wreath with a Grinch face, evil and scary. It's Christmas, she thought. It needs to be merry. Ornaments for the tree with all the Who's faces. Now, it's been done. I've seen it before in so many places. She schemed and she planned till her glue burns were sore. And then she thought perhaps, maybe, this project was a little bit more. The idea sprang forth as loud as a trumpet. Her inspiration she found on the top of Mount Crumpet. Hey everyone, it's Sue, and welcome to day 3 of my 12 Christmas movie themed collaborations. Now today's theme, in case you haven't guessed, is one of my Grinchy favorites, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. So just to clear up a little confusion about these collaborations, in order to participate and to get a shout out on my channel, you have to check in the description box below for the hashtag to put in your title, and you have to do your project in the theme of that movie. So it needs to be a Christmas project in the theme of the movie for the specific day. So this project ran away with me a little bit, but if you want to see my tribute to How the Grinch Stole Christmas, let's get started. So a special shout out to Carrie's Thrifty Farmhouse, who participated in the Christmas Carol collaboration, and I missed her on the last video. So make sure you check out her video, and I will put a link in the description box below, plus it's been added to the playlist. Now participating in the Grinch collaboration, Leigh's Art Studio, Jetersblessings, Glitzy Stiches Home, Artfully Blind with Diana, A Dollar Tree Mimi's World, The Crafty Quinn, Jujubee Crafts and More, Qujin Comic Art, and Holly's Hobby House. So check out the description box below for links to their amazing creations and amazing channels. Welcome to the creation of Dr. Sue's Whoville Tablescape. So I thought I would honor the moment when the Grinch discovers the true meaning of Christmas. So I decided to build Mount Crumpet. So I took some cake pans from the Dollar Tree, as well as this burner cover and some candlesticks, and using some hot glue and this styrofoam cone that I found, as well as some E6000, I glued together these to make my monstrous mountain. Next, I took some quilting batting that I had left over from another project and glued it around and around to build up the shape of the mountain. Then I found this funky white yarn that I thought looked like icicles, and I thought that would be perfect to make the frosty lair of the Grinch. Next, I decided to draw a picture of the Grinch with his sleigh loaded down with all of the toys and decorations that he stole from Whoville, and Max hanging off the edge of the sleigh. Next, I decided to draw the ring of Who's that are around the Christmas tree, and I made them in 2 pieces so that I could actually swing them open. Because every time I watch the movie, I think it's great the way that the circle of Who's just opens up and allows the Grinch to slide right in. And then once I had both of these scenes drawn, I just cut them out. Next, I took another styrofoam cone and some of these garland ties from the Dollar Tree and wrapped them around to make the tree that the Who's gather around to sing their final song. Then I used some Dollar Tree decorations and decorated up the tree. So I decided to make a bit of a tablescape or scenery. So I found this fake snow drape to put on the bottom. And then I found these little trees to go on top of Mount Crumpet and around the village. And I also found these little houses that I thought looked like little Who houses that I could use for my landscape. Then I found this fabric at the Dollar Tree, and when I opened it up, it was really sparkly. And I took some strips of that and put it onto a piece of cardboard with some Mod Podge, and I thought it just looked like the epiphany moment in the background when the Grinch lifts up the sleigh in triumph. So once everything was assembled, I'll just take you on a little tour. Here's my Mount Crumpet with the starburst in the background, and the little trees are attached in the icicles. Then I found these little light up trees from the Dollar Tree to put in my Who village, and I have the Who's around the tree singing. And I also hung up some ribbon and bows, and then I put a little cord light hanging from the ribbon to represent the spirit of Christmas that rises when the Who's are singing and rises all the way up to the Grinch and fills his heart with love. Now I just wanted to share with you some of the artwork that I have uploaded onto my Redbubble shop. So if you would like to order any of these for Christmas, now would be the time to do it. So in the description box below, check out my link to my Redbubble shop where any of my art pieces can be put on a variety of gift items. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.